We are now in airplane. We'll fly somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow. Hi, welcome to airplane.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are very welcome aboard to Ryanair flight. Taking you to roads and take the allocated seats as quick as possible to ensure no on-time departure. Please make sure you store your small bag handbag safe.
Hello everyone, we are now again holiday with the friends and also the beautiful ladies here. And then now we will go to Rhodes and we will enjoy ourselves there because it's a beautiful, beautiful weather in there. So now, this is the ladies.
Yes, I'm the lady. And this is the most beautiful. Look up there. Look up there. You're the beautiful one. Hi. We are in Rhodes. Welcome, Rhodes.
What? So we're looking for the taxi. Let's go.
Love life.
Yung iba naghihintay pa doon sa ano. At kami ayan maghahanap na ng taxi. We're just landed here 5 minutes ago. So wala nang costume or yes, so no control. Exit. Ha? Ito yung exit. No stress, that's true.
So now we are in the taxi, going
Home.
hotel.
Going home.
Going home.
Hi.
Fish. Hi, fish.
We have a limousine here. Limousine, very nice limousine. Thank you. Marathon.
CR as usual. Ito yung aming room ni Evelyn. Ayan. So, ito si ma'am nagliligpit ng kanyang damit. Ito yung aming view. Simple lang yung room pero malaki masyado at saka maluwag yung terrace. Ayan yung terrace. Ito yung view dito namin sa aming terrace. Ayan. Yun. Dadako naman tayo dito sa kabilang kwarto. Dito sa kabilang kwarto. Ayan. Hello girls!
Hi.
So, connected door ang aming room. Mayroong connected door. Ito yung kanilang...
Estas.
Oh.
Junior, ito?
Ito yung aming connected door. So, parehas din ang view. Doon, magkatabi lang naman. So, maganda din pala.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay. Well, matutulog na si Caroline eh. Ayan. So, napakaluwag ng room. Ano?
Yes.
Kaya nga eh. Ito naman yung kanilang view. Parehas pa rin. Ayan. Ayan yung kanilang view. Ganon din doon sa kabila. Oh. Ayan. Smile kayo dyan, girls.
Look at the pinimit ko.
Aber besser als...
Ja, egal. Man muss akzeptieren, wie sie ein bisschen...
So hello ladies. And what is your Gefühl mit dem? Was ist your Gefühl? Schöne Gefühl. Very nice.
People, nice view. Of course, beautiful.
SMS.
Das ist unser Zimmer in diese Seite.
Ah, they have the hand to go.
Sorry, camera you. 1 moment. I have
Ay, sisukay na. Yung kamay niya.
Yung kamay niya, wala.
Hindi marunong si Lolo.
Yung kamay, di ba?
Ayan ang hinahanap ko.
Allah. May pulis. Oo nga eh. Grabe, no?
Yan. Sige na, good morning na kayo dyan.
Morning.
Warte-warte.
Now we are in breakfast. A nice breakfast. I have this with fruits and coffee.
Kaya?
Yummy, yummy.
So how's your night?
It's a beautiful night. We have a lot of music. Music. Is a
Tenor?
tenor, soprano,
Sopra.
and bass.
Aha, okay.
It's a beautiful night. I sleep well.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. We sleep together. It's beautiful.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning again.
And what about you? So this is our breakfast for today. Ito yung yung lobby ng hotel. This is schön. There's the lobby. Yun yung dalawa. Ito, after breakfast. So, babalik kami doon sa ito pa yung kanilang lobby. Ito yung restaurant para sa gabi. So, tonight, DJ night. DJ. Dito na tayo daan. Here. Here. Mayroon dito. Ayan yung ganda. Ito yung ang daytime. This is the daytime view here in Pool area.